Bonjour, and today we are going to have a look at this sound in French. Right, have a look at this. OIN together make the sound OIN. Can you say that? OIN. Très bien. Now that's a funny one. Let's have a look at this sound within a word. Could you pronounce this word? Well, remember that we do not pronounce the S at the end of a word, okay? And if you are uncertain about what we do not pronounce, have a look at my video on pronunciation, as in, guys, don't sound this, please. You are going to love it, okay? Now, here we go. Moins. Can you say that? Moins. Remember, the S is not pronounced, okay? And that means less. Moins. Another word. Point, okay? Point. The T is not pronounced either in French, okay? Point. Point means point, okay? A point, okay? Un point. How do you pronounce this word? That's easy. Loin. Très bien. Very good. Loin. And that means far away. Loin, okay? Another one. Soin. Soin. Un soin. It means a treatment of some kind, medical treatment as well as beauty treatment. Un soin. Un joint. Okay, remember we don't pronounce the T. Joint. Okay, un joint means a joint. Okay, a joint. I've just realized. A joint is a joint in plumbing. Yeah, a joint. Okay, and other joints as well. Anyway. Here's another one. Foin, okay? Du foin, and that's hay. Hay, okay? As in you find in a field, okay? Du foin. Très bien. Here's another one. Coin. Coin, okay? That means corner, okay? Coin, okay? But le coin also means the area, okay? Area. Coin. Now here's another one. Adjoint. Adjoint. Now this one is quite hard to pronounce, okay? Adjoint. And that means deputy or second in hand or second in command. In command. In command. Adjoint. Here's another one. Moindre. Moindre. Okay? That means lesser. Okay? Less. Moindre. Lesser. Another one. Joindre. And that is a verb. It means to join. Joindre. Okay? Très bien. Now, if I put this into an example, I could say, for example, l'adjoint est dans le coin, loin de la botte de foin. The second in command is in the corner, far away from the hay stack, hay bale. What do you say, Adam? Hay...
Bale.
Yeah, bale of hay. Okay, so have a look at the sentence again. L'adjoint est dans le coin, loin de la botte de foin. Okay. Now that's it for me. That was the pronunciation of ouin in French. Why don't you practice? Okay, watch this video again. And why don't you have a look at the other videos on pronunciation? Okay. Au revoir. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done so already. It's fun. You'll see you will learn a lot. That's it. Au revoir. À bientôt. Bisous, bisous. Bisous, bisous. R. 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 Can you feel it? You've got no choice but to say R. Yeah? Route. Et puis la dernière pour moi aussi. Ouais. Donc si tu veux m'aimer, appelle.